As in other programming languages, the if-else structure is frequently used in T-SQL. In this video, we will learn how the if-else structure works. If-else structure cannot be used with SQL. It is used only with the T-SQL programming language. By using if-else conditions, we can check the status of a defined variable and perform certain operations. We can better understand how it works by making an example in SQL Server. For example, there is a salary variable. It is set equal to 5,000. If the salary variable is greater than or equal to 5,000, the first select query will run. If not, the select query below will work. The select query above worked because the salary variable was equal to 5,000. Let's change the value of the variable. The select query below worked. More than one select query cannot be executed in the if-else structure. Let's try to solve this problem. I delete the else structure. When the query runs, the select query below runs even though the salary variable is 4,000. We can use begin-end block to solve this problem. Since the if structure does not meet the condition and works as a block, the second SQL will not work anymore. If the condition is met, both SQL will work. Let's do a different example. The number variable is set to a negative value. If the number variable is greater than 0, the first SQL will run. If it is not greater than 0 and is negative, the second SQL will run. If it is not negative, the third SQL will run. If a number is not negative or positive, it is 0. The second SQL worked because the number variable was negative. The first SQL worked because the number variable was positive. The third SQL worked because the number variable was 0. Let's make an example using a table. I am creating a table with ID, first name, last name and salary columns. I am sending 20 records to the table. I can see the data in the table with the select command. Now let's make an example with the if-else structure. I define the number variable and set it equal to 1. If the number variable is equal to 1, the second SQL will run, if not the first SQL. Since the number variable was equal to 1, the first SQL worked. Let's change the number variable. Since the number variable was different from 1, the second SQL worked. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.